Imagine creating a professional website in just 10 minutes without writing a single line of code. Today I will show you how to build a complete website using Google AI Studio for free. Whether you are a student, freelancer, business owner or a startup founder, this tool can save your hour work. Let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are interested in AI, website, online business and the latest technology, don't forget to subscribe because I upload videos like this every week. Now let's build a website using AI. Go to the browser and then type Google AI Studio. Then enter, go to the first type Google AI Studio. Then write a prompt. If you don't know how to write a prompt, then I will show you how to write a prompt. Okay, first go chat GPT. Okay, then just you type, please write a prompt for making a professional website. Website is selling and buying old and new book. Then just press enter. See, chat GPT given to a prompt. Just copy all prompt. Okay, and then go to the Google AI Studio and then just paste it and then just to tap build. See, right now Google AI Studio making a professional website. You also select the design. Okay, just select this design. It's taking time 1 to 2 minutes. Now our website is ready. Okay, just you go to full screen and also you can check devices, mobile screen. Okay, look like, see this mobile screen, and there is also a tablet screen. Check, website is working very nice, and there is the current screen size. Okay, you also check, go to the buy and books. There is all the books history and also the sale. You put the book name, author name, ISBN number, publisher name, edition number. Okay, and then just leave it full screen, and then you can publish the project. Just go to publish button and then get started. Okay, and then just publish your app. It's taking 1 to 2 minutes. Thanks for watching video.